Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be working in the Kiara Sky Gelly tips. In the previous video, I showed you guys how I put these tips on my nails. I share with you guys tips and tricks while I was putting the tips on my nails so you guys can see how to place them on your nails and all the steps that it requires for you to use the kit. So now I'm gonna work into do a design on these nails, and what I'm doing right now is I'm buffering the shine. I don't know why. Think I was thinking of doing acrylics, then I changed my mind. Keep in mind, if you're gonna use gel polish like I'm going to, you don't need to remove the shine like I did. I did it because I was thinking I was gonna use acrylic, but I changed my mind. So you don't need to do that. If you're only gonna use gel polish, all you need to do is put a base coat, cure in lamp for 60 seconds, and then you will put your gel polish. So I like the way they look. They look very natural, especially that cuticle area. It looks very beautiful, very clean, very fresh. I love how they look. So what I'm doing here, I'm using I Made a Beauty gel polish, and I'm gonna paint all of the nails in the same color. This color is very beautiful. It's like a pearly, kind of like a pinkish color, and it's number 112. And I also have a video showing you guys the kit that they send me with their colors, all the different colors they have, and you can check them out on Amazon. That's where they are. They also have a website where they also sell makeup. So because I'm working with my left hand and my left hand is not my dominant hand, you will see me cleaning around the mistakes with a brush. Also, I'm using this little file here, which I love, just to clean the parts of the gel polish that I cure already for 60 seconds, and they are outside of the nail so it don't look that crazy. So that's why you guys see me filing it off, because once you cure the gel polish, it's not going anywhere unless you file it. So pretty much that's what I'm doing. It's not going to be perfect. Remember, I don't write with my left hand, so it's not gonna be looking perfect. Now, if I did it with acrylic, it would be perfect because I can manage the acrylic better. So you have seen me, guys, using these acrylic kits. I highly recommend these kits for doing 3D nail art. If you're not that good with 3D nail art, these kits, these acrylic molds are amazing. You can get them on Amazon, eBay, anywhere. They go from different prices. I have mine years and years ago. I purchased them. Now they come bigger than this size that I have, and you can use this with acrylic, with gel, top coat, any kind you can use on this. So I already showed you guys using it with acrylic, so now I'm just using it with gel polish. And you guys can see I cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. I touch them to make sure they are completely cured. Because it is gel polish, usually I cure in lamp for 2 minutes instead of 60 to make sure they are completely cured. And this is how they look. This acrylic mold is for roses, so pretty much it's a white rose, and I use a different gel polish from the same brand. Pretty much this one is like a white pearly color, and I'm using the gel glue from Glitz Accessories and such. It is a great glue. It really holds up to this day. I still have everything in my nails, so highly recommend that brand as well. So what I'm gonna do here, it's some kind, I would say we can call it like a wedding nail art tutorial, because it looks more like for a wedding. Like I have white roses, then I'm gonna put some beautiful diamonds around, so it's gonna look really pretty. And what I'm doing here, I am placing the roses with the gel glue, so the gel glue is gonna cure that. And I'm using my flash curing light just to cure them in place so they don't move anymore. And once I'm done with the whole design, I just stick the whole nail in the big lamp. So for now, I'm just going to place the little rhinestones. around the cuticle area, and also the rhinestone will go around the flowers. So I will be doing that in all of the nails. In some of the nails I'm just gonna put 2 roses or 1 rose, and then in the middle finger I'm just gonna put bigger rhinestones. Okay, so I'm gonna continue placing other rhinestones. And once I'm done placing the rhinestone, this is how it looks. Look how beautiful, guys. Look how shiny those diamond looks. And all the rhinestones that I use, the little ones, they are from the sub box, the nail subscription box that I have with glitz accessories and such. They always send like a bunch of rhinestone decorations, so that's where I got it from. All that tray that I have with rhinestone, it is from their subscription box. If you guys want to check them out, they are on Instagram. Also, they have a website as well. So what I'm doing here is I'm using the top coat that actually came with the jelly tip kit, which is step number 4. And I'm going slowly through the rhinestones. I'm not placing the top coat on top of the rhinestones because then the shine will go away, and then what's the point of having rhinestones? So I just try to go around very careful with the top coat. I don't put top coat on the 3D art because it looks horrible. So don't do that. It will actually, they will look horrible. Trust me, I already did it one time on one video, and I showed you guys the difference in between putting top coat and not putting top coat. And I think that was the Kiara Sky acrylic, testing their acrylic line. So I don't recommend that at all. So we're gonna call this nail design for weddings. So that will be the name, I will say. Very, very pretty, the decoration. So once I'm done putting all that beautiful top coat, I'm using the brush because remember there's some parts where I cannot go through with the brush and the top coat because I don't want to touch the rhinestone. So I use a brush always to guide me and help me. And once I'm done, I'm going to put the whole hand in my big lamp for 60 seconds. And look how beautiful this look. I love how they turn out. And remember guys, you can follow me on social media. You can follow me on Instagram. I also have Facebook. All the links will be in the description box below. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, I share with you guys my blog, which is pretty much the website that you see on top of the video, which is www.aslaneword.com. That is my blog. That is where I put pictures, close-up pictures of all the nail tutorials I do. Also, I do have an update page on that website as well. I highly recommend you follow that blog. There's a part where you can subscribe with your email address to get updates to when I post pictures or I make an announcement. I recently posted an announcement that I will be doing a giveaway on my blog. So make sure that you are subscribed to my blog in order to participate. I will be making the video soon on what the giveaway is going to be, but you will have to be subscribed to my blog in order to participate. That will be the only rule, and I will post that video very soon. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think, and also if you have tried the jelly tips from Kiara Sky. And I will see you guys on my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.